Hi everyone, we are here at Shoes of Hollywood today and I am going to review some shoes for you and try them on. So we have the Fabulicious Clearly shoe in black satin. Now, I love a black shoe. I also love colour, but I don't know. Black is my thing, but it has to have something extra, and these have something extra. Look at this. This is a 4.5 inch heel, and look at that, the heel is encrusted with these gorgeous sparkles and across the band as well. So I'm going to try these on. Now when you receive your shoes, whether you buy in store or whether you buy online, they come in their individual dust bags and they're double wrapped, so they're wrapped in the plastic as well. And then they're also reinforced with the paper, so during transit this is not going to get squashed. So again, I suggest you keep your shoes in their dust bags in your closet and also in their box. If you are traveling and you want to just take a carry-on bag, you've got a drawstring bag included in the box for transportation, because you don't want them getting dusty. Alright, now I like this support in the back as well. I love that support on my heel. When I wear my heels, I tend to wear them for a long time, either all day or all night or both sometimes, depending on the event or occasion. So you want them to be comfortable and sturdy. And I haven't tried on a pair of Fabulicious shoes yet that aren't amazingly comfortable. They're all superbly made. So easy to pop on, slide on, buckle. This is all gorgeous satin. I love the combination of satin and sparkles because you get the sparkle under the lights from the encrusted diamonds or the rhinestones, but then the satin also picks up the light and it just adds that extra bit of glamour. Buckle up the other side. The thicker strap means a little bit more support, but also much easier to put on if you've got long nails. Mine aren't super long, but some people have those super long nails and it makes it a little bit easier. I love this heel height. That's just perfect, not wobbling at all. It's just a perfect height to wear all day. Now these are super sturdy. I do want to take you outside. This is how they sparkle under artificial light, which is just gorgeous. And fully encrusted heel. And really, really encrusted, so they're not coming off. So I'm going to take you outside now and we are going to see how these look in the sunlight. Look at that. And as I mentioned before, see how the satin picks up a bit of the sunlight as well. So it picks up the light and you get the sparkle from both aspects of the shoe. Oh, these are so comfortable to walk in. I could walk in these all day. And great for dancing, super sturdy. So I would even wear these with what I've got on today. So a leather jacket, maybe change up the top a little bit for a night out with the girls. Maybe a black lace top or something like that. Pop these on with the leather jacket, some jeans. And dance all night. Also great with the short dress, because they're such a pretty shoe. You can wear something a little bit shorter and really, you know, heels lengthen your leg, so super comfy. I'll take you back inside now. A lot of girls are wearing black to formals now as well. So it used to be a taboo thing, you know, you must wear something bright but a lot of girls are wearing black now, so these would make an amazing formal shoe. because not everything is long with formal wear these days either. So a lot of girls are wearing a shorter dress or an asymmetric dress, so you can really show off the shoe. It never used to be as important, but it is now. It's become part of the whole outfit process. Take these off. Really quick to get off too, which, you know, if you have been out with the girls and you hop in the taxi, you want these shoes off as quickly as possible. They would have to be one of my favorites. The fact that they're black, they're satin, and they have the sparkles just really appeal to me because I can wear them with anything, dress them up or down. So hope you like the video, guys. If you do, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell in the corner so you receive our notifications, and give us a big thumbs up. Bye.